Hello all, welcome to our channel Way to Know. So in this video, we will see a very simple DC voltage source and a diode circuit. And then what we will do is we'll try to use one of the external model which is outside the LTspice. We will see one of how to import that model here and then run the simulation. So for this we have a voltage source, resistor in series, and then a diode. If you see this diode is a generic diode. Like when we go here, this is the diode that we place. Okay, and you can pick any diode model that is present already as a part of the spice library, and any of these model can be used. Okay, you can see at the end this is the model for that particular diode. Now we don't want, let us assume we don't have a model. Let us download a model from the net, and when you download, you see this is the model that is downloaded for IN4001G. Okay, copy this model as is. This is the dot model in text file, and go to the directive. Okay, the spice directive, just directly copy this and paste it here. Now what happens is this becomes the model, and if you see here, this particular model, okay, has a name DI4 IN401G. This is the name of the model that we have pasted here. Okay, and and for example, if we want to assign this model to this diode, click Control plus right click on the diode, and you see here this is the value D, which is the value of the diode. Just override this with the model name. As we see here, this is the model name which we copied, and what we are doing basically here is we are assigning the model that we pasted here to this particular diode. Okay, simple, right? And then we have to run the simulation. So for running the simulation, click on run and then go to the DC sweep. In the sweep, you take V1. Okay, sweep is linear, start value is 0, stop value is 5, and increment of 0.5. Okay, this is the sweep that we'll be doing. Okay, and then now as we have run, let us try to measure the current across this particular diode. And when you measure the current across this diode, you can see here this is the VI characteristic of this diode, and V versus I, and this is the breakdown point where the diode start conducting, and you can see here this is the curve that you also see in the data sheet. So what this means is basically the diode model is working. Now just to test this, okay, let us control plus right click and let us change this to D, just a D, and let us try to run. Okay, you can see here there is a variation in the curve, and this particular model is taking from some other diode. Let us take BAT54. Okay, and you can see here the characteristic is varying, but in case if you go back to your original model, okay, where you change the value here, okay, now when you run, you get the curve which is desired and which is as per the model that is mentioned here. Okay, so this is how we input a model to LTspice. A very raw model can be actually copy pasted into the schematic without actually taking the pain of importing the symbol or doing any other stuff. Okay, very simple way.